Shabbat Shalom, TK Treehouse, and all of Temple Sinai Preschool. I was really excited that Emmy sent me a message about finding the Afikomen from the book we read yesterday. So I found another book that I wanted to read to you guys, and wishing you a very blessed Passover, and I'm so excited to see you guys in a little bit for our first Zoom preschool Shabbat. I can't wait. So today's book is called Just for Today by St. John the 23rd and illustrated by Bimba Landman and published by Erdman's Books for Young Readers. So I didn't say this yesterday, but all of the books that I have been reading, unless I'm holding them, are from Epic, which is a website that offers it's offering free subscriptions right now for teachers to access a whole array of books. And so if your class doesn't have Epic already, feel free to reach out to me and let me know, and we can add you to the TK account. I'd be more than happy to. And so while today's book is not written specifically for Passover, the message it conveys, I think, is really beautiful and really important to hear, especially during Passover and Shabbat. So let's get started. Just for today. Just for today, I will try to live for this day alone, without wishing to solve my life's problems all at once. Just for today, I will take great care of how I present myself. I will dress simply. I will not raise my voice. I will be polite in my manners. I will not criticize anyone. I will not look to improve or discipline anyone other than myself. Just for today, I will be happy in the certainty that I was created to be happy, not only in the world to come, but also in this one. Just for today, I will adapt to circumstances without expecting circumstances to adapt to my wishes. Just for today, I will devote 10 minutes of my time to sitting in silence and listening to Adonai, remembering that just as food is necessary for the life of the body, so silence and listening are necessary for the life of the soul. Just for today, I will do a good deed and tell no one about it. Just for today, I will do at least one thing I do not enjoy, and if my feelings are hurt, I will make sure no one notices. Just for today, I will make a plan, and I will not follow it perfectly, but I will still make it. And I will guard against two evils, haste and indecision. Just for today, I will know from the bottom of my heart, no matter how it may seem, that Adonai cares for me like no one else in this world. Just for today, I will have no fears. In particular, I will not be afraid to enjoy what is beautiful and to believe in love. I can easily do, for 12 hours, what I would find discouraging if I thought I had to do for a lifetime. So, I offer my TK students a challenge, and I'd like to open up the challenge to anybody in the community. What can you do differently today? What's one thing that you can do differently? I know that we spent all of February in red talking about kindness. What's something that you could do to be kind to somebody that you're not normally kind to? Or something that you could do to help somebody without being asked? Can you come up with something to make that will make someone else smile or feel good? Just I would love it if you can send me a picture, you can write it out, you could send me a video. You can post it here on Facebook and the Temple Sinai preschool group. But I want to challenge everybody to try something new, to try something different. Just for today, what would you do if you could do absolutely anything to make the world a better place and you didn't have any restrictions? You knew you couldn't fail. What would you do? How would you do it? I can't wait to hear all of your creative juices flowing, and I will see you in a couple hours at Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom.